In this video, we'll look at how databases from previous versions of Access work in Access 2010. I'll do this with the Northwind sample database from Access 2003. Like the two previous versions of Access, 2010 asks you to trust a database when you open it for the first time. To do that, click Enable Content. That adds the database to a list of trusted files, and unlike previous versions of Access, you'll never see a security warning again when you open that database. Now, most of an Access 2003 database will work in 2010. For example, you can open a form and enter data, or you can switch to Design View and edit the form, and I'll finish that process for you. Once you're done, you can still use that database in Access 2003. For example, here's the changed form with the new data, and you can add more. In other words, the database works in both versions of Access. So here are the rules for using databases in more than one version of Access. MDB files created in Access 2000, 2002, and 2003 will run in Access 2010, but some features won't work, including the database window and replication. Access 97 files will also open in 2010, but you can only view objects and add records. You can't save any design changes unless you convert the database to the 2010 file format. Once you save an older database as an ActDB file, you can only use that database in Access 2007 or 2010. Also, if you open an Access 2010 database in 2007, any features unique to 2010 won't work. For example, Access 2010 has a new form called the Navigation form. It provides a set of tabs that make it easy to navigate around a database. But if you try to open the form in Access 2007, you see an error message. For more information about using databases with multiple versions of Access and about converting Access 95 files, see the links in the quick reference card at the end of this course. Next, we'll look at how to use database templates and web databases that you publish to SharePoint.